Hi everyone, it's Mackenzie. In this video, I'm going to show you how to insert a meeting link to your Microsoft Teams meeting. So, you can see this is the page that we've been working on. The first thing that I'm going to want to do is open up my Microsoft Teams app within my computer. The next step is to click on your calendar. And when you click on your calendar, you'll be able to see all of the meetings that you've already created for this week. Now, I'm going to create an afternoon meeting with my students. So I'm going to come up here to where it says New Meeting, and I'm going to click on the drop-down arrow. Click on Schedule Meeting. I will add a title of Afternoon Meeting with Miss Carr. All right, something very important is that you're going to want to add yourself as a required attendee. So I'm going to type in my school email, and it's not going to populate in this little box right here. You have to type in your full email. Then you're going to click off to the side, and that is when you will see that it is your email. The next thing you're going to want to do is select the day that you want your meeting to start. Select the time, let's say 1 o'clock, and we'll make it go until 2 o'clock. The next thing you're going to want to do is set a repeating meeting. You're going to want to click on every weekday. If you have clicked on daily, it will set it to meet on the weekends as well. So make sure you click on every weekday, Monday through Friday. And then you're going to want to just click send. Now also, if you have created a classroom within Microsoft Teams, this is where it says add channel. That is where you could put your classroom. However, this is not necessary. You do not have to have a classroom within Microsoft Teams. So I'm just going to get rid of that, and I'm going to show you that you can just click send. And now you can see my afternoon meeting is populated. Now click on that. And right down here where it has this link that says join Microsoft Teams meeting, you're going to right click it and copy link. Now, if I were to just highlight it and click copy, it is just going to copy those words, join Microsoft Teams meeting. It's not going to copy the link that will take them to the meeting. So make sure you right click it and click copy link. All right, now we have the link copied onto our clipboard. So now we go back to It's Learning. I'm going to come right here to the edit button within the content block on our page. It'll open up the rich content block, and there's a few ways that you can do this. So you could literally just right click, paste it there. Remember, whenever you're pasting, this little pop-up box will come in, so you can just paste it in there and click OK. Now, this might not be visually appealing to you. You might not like the way that looks. So let's click Edit. And actually, I realized that I didn't tell you that you will have to you'll have to link it. So you would click on this little link button. You would paste the URL there and click OK. You click OK down here. And so now you see that it's in blue. It will actually, when they click on it, take them to that link. But again, that is not very pretty. So let me show you a different way that you could do it. So I'm going to get rid of this whole thing, and I'm just going to type in click here. Okay, so I'm going to highlight click here, click on the link icon, paste the URL that is still attached to my clipboard, and click OK on the pop-up box. So now it's in blue, so you know that it's linked, and you can click OK. So now when they click on that, you can see how my cursor changes from a cursor to a pointer, and that's how you know it's linked. And the last thing, and this is what I prefer to do, is I like to actually link an image of the Microsoft Teams icon to it with the link. So I'm going to come in here to my images, and I have actually already uploaded the Microsoft Teams icon, and literally I just went on Google search and searched for Microsoft Teams icon. And so I've already uploaded it, so here it is in my library. All right, that's a little big. So I remember that I wanted to resize this down, and that looks pretty good. So now, right now, all I have is an image. It's not linked. So if I ever want to link an image, I have to click on the image that I want them to click on. I have to click on link, paste it into the URL, click OK in the pop-up box, and now there's this blue line around the image. That is how you know that it's linked. You could just leave it like that, or what I like to do is I like to put a little note at the top that says click on the image to join our meeting. The image below to join our meeting. And then you would click OK. And now they have the icon. They know to click on the image to join our meeting. And you can see that my cursor changes to a pointer, so it is linked.